What is going on, Earl? Hey, thank you for taking this Zoom call today. I appreciate you. Just got a few questions for you, Earl. One, who are you? Where are you at? What market are you in? And how the heck did we meet?
Well, thank you, Bryce. Appreciate being here. Who I am, I live in Los Angeles, California, and pretty much I work towards buying and selling, rehabbing real estate properties, foreclosures, and I've been doing it for a while now, some success throughout the years. And how we met was on Facebook. I had saw some of your ads and I said, I've got to check this out, and started with the first 3-day, I believe it was, and I liked what I heard there. And then after that, I signed up for the 5-day and then the mentorship program, and here we are. It's been great.
And now, Earl, from going from our free challenge to our multiple day event, now you've made a decision to invest in yourself and you're in our Academy inner circle. Tell me what you think. After being in other programs, tell me how you feel, what you like most about it, and what do you find to be most helpful for you?
Well, yeah, okay. So I have been in other programs over the years, only to find that it's another program, put it on the shelf, and I don't get to the position where I need to be. Being with the inner circle, I've got a lot more support. There's been processes to follow. You don't need to listen to a lot of CDs or read a bunch of books to get started. The support is great. Personally, I don't know how you guys find that you and Kyle find the time to share all the time you give us with the group. I like there's no negativity. There's only positive attitudes. You keep us straight. We work on how to make things happen. There's no politics, judgments. It's a very comfortable setting where you can open up and share your thoughts and get the input back. And you guys have always been there for us. It's been terrific.
I love that. I love that. You mentioned that you've been in real estate and have done several flips over the years, and you've had some success there. When you came to us, you were looking to kind of do some transition and learn a new part of real estate, that being wholesaling specifically. How do you feel we've done thus far up to this point in delivering the message and getting you the information that you need, but also the results that you wanted?
Well, it's been terrific. Yeah, you've given us all the material that we need. I've built up more confidence and know how to get it done, get on the phones with sellers, and not worry about having all the information, but to get a conversation and then take it step by step from there. And that's been successful for me and very helpful.
I love it. I love it. Earl, one of the things that we're really focusing on as we move forward into the second half of our relationship with our clients is really not just showing them how to get deals, but to build a team. And we've started working on some of that already together, some of the interpersonal voices that we tell ourselves and things like that. Kind of curious, what are you most excited about, and what has been your favorite part of working with the REI Results Academy and the Inner Circle?
Well, I'm most excited about, again, making progress, okay? And again, working with the Inner Circle, the support that is there. If I had a question that I need answered to help me get a deal done, I can get the answers quickly.
I love that. I love that. Let me ask you this, Earl. If there was someone watching your testimonial that maybe could relate to who you are and your experience, and they were on the fence, and they were like, should we work with the REI Results family? What are my options? What would you tell that person?
I would definitely tell them to get involved. You have people, again, that I mentioned earlier that are here to support you. And show you the ways, give you a process to follow versus go out and make offers and not knowing what you're talking about or how to speak to the sellers.
One last question, and that is this. What has been your greatest takeaway thus far working with Kyle and myself, the REI Results family, and what is the one thing that you've learned that you would love to share with the world, if you could?
Well, what's best for me is the confidence that I've obtained with working with you guys, that you've given to me and shown me the way, and to just go out and make it happen. Get out of your head, which is always going to be there, and go and make it happen. And the more you do it, of course, the more confident you become. It's okay to make a mistake and push through your fears. My name is Earl Valinsky, and I endorse the REI Academy.